Easy steps to create an Apple ID on Windows PC. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of creating an Apple ID right from your Windows PC. Whether you're new to the Apple ecosystem or just need to set up a new account, we've got you covered. At first, open your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you like. Here type to search Apple ID Create. Hit enter in your keyboard. Move down and click on Create your Apple ID. On the Apple ID creation page, you'll see an option to create your Apple ID. Click on it to begin the account creation process. You'll need to enter your personal information. This includes your first name, last name. Select your country or region. Enter your date of birth. Down here enter your email address. Now enter the strong password to use for the Apple ID. Make sure to choose a strong password. Move down and enter your phone number. After that, enter this security questions. Click on Continue. After entering your information, Apple will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox, find the verification email from Apple, and enter the code in the appropriate field to verify your email address. Click on Continue. Again, verify your phone number to finish setting up your Apple ID. Click on Continue. Done. Your Apple ID is created, and that's it. Once you've completed all the steps, your Apple ID will be successfully created. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.